Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will be focusing on the budgeting feature of SAP Business One. We will briefly summarize how to activate the budget setup in SAP Business One, and then how to define the budget values for the profit and loss accounts. So if you move now to the SAP database and start by activating the budget setup, we can do this through the general settings window. If I go just to system initialization, and then under the budget tab, we can tick this checkbox, which is the budget initialization. And once this is ticked, that means the budget is activated on the database. And then we can choose how we want the system to react to any deviation, either blocking any transaction that deviates from the budget, or just giving a warning message, or without any warning. So once the budget is activated on the database, we can start defining the budget values. If we go now to the financials and then budget setup, we have three menus in here. The budget scenario, where we define the scenario per each accounting year. We can also define different scenarios per each accounting year. You can also copy scenarios between the years. For example, if you want to copy the scenario of 2024 to the 2025, you can also import scenarios from different databases. So if you have sister companies and you want to move these scenarios between these companies, you can use this functionality, which is the import budget scenarios. If I cancel this and I close this down and move to the budget distribution methods, and here we can either define or use one of the distribution methods that are already defined on SAP, which are the equal one, and that means the system will use or will distribute the annual budget equally over the months, or we can use the ascending order or the descending series, or you can define your own one. In our scenario today, I will use the equal one, yes. So if I cancel this and then go to the budget window, in here I just choose the scenario that I want to allocate the budget to, which is the main budget 2024. And then if I okay that, the system will show us all the accounts that are linked to the budget. And from here, I can allocate different budgets per different accounts. For example, these revenue accounts, I allocated credit values or credit budgets to this account. And you can carry on with the budget for all the accounts. You can also use a tool of SAP called Data Transfer Workbench to import the budget to all of these accounts instead of doing this manually or filling these values manually. The other thing that is really nice here, that you can define the budget per each dimension that is defined on the system. And you can also choose or use the parent account feature, and that means that you can link different accounts to a one parent account. And once you are choosing the parent account, you can use in here the percentage, and that means you can assign a percentage per each child account that is linked to the parent account. This is a very a quick or a brief summary of the budget setup and definition in SAP. However, if you have any question or if you want to go through this more deeply, please do not hesitate to contact us through our email or through our support line. We will be more than happy to help you and to go through your budget scenario in more details. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day ahead.